Nahirapan ka rin ba mag-move ng apps pa isa-isa from time to time? Here are iPhone tips you don't wanna miss. Tara, let's get started. Tip number 1, laging pangit ang shape na dinodrawing mo sa notes, sa mail, sa photos, or sa screenshot using the markup tool. Next time, i-hold mo lang na ilang segundo after mo i-draw yung shape, like circle, arrow, or kahit ano man yan, rectangle, automatic siyang magre-refine into a perfect shape. Tip number 2, need a quick calculator? Just use the search bar. Swipe down to open Spotlight Search. Tap mo lang ang math problem like 58 times 12 and yeah, boom, may instant answer ka na. Tip number 3, if you're going to move apps from time to time, for sure, it will take time na isa-isahin mo yung app sa paglipat-lipat. Well, you can actually tap and hold an app, then tap the other apps using other finger to quickly stack them up. Then saka mo siya i-move sa kabilang page. This makes it much more easier. So if you want more iPhone tips, just make sure to follow, comment, and react.